Human-made resources.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you
Yes.
remembering what were the topics we discussed in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Parvati, please give me a summary. Brief summary. I don't want detailed. Just I need a free or a small summary.
Natural resources are classified on the basis of their level of development and use,
Yes.
origin, stock,
Origin,
and
stock,
distribution.
and distribution. Okay.
And on the basis of their stock, it's divided into renewable and non-renewable resources.
Yes, resources.
Then on
Then
the basis of their distribution, ubiquitous and localized
ubiquitous
resources.
and localized. Okay. Johin, what is ubiquitous? What is ubiquitous? What do you mean by the word ubiquitous or ubiquitous resources?
Ma'am, can I?
Where is that girl? She went there. Okay. Then Adityan,
Ma'am, not girl, boy only.
who?
Shane.
Joshin. Okay, but she disappeared.
No, Johin.
Johin. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Johin. Okay,
Jahin,
Johin.
Jahin is a girl.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Who? Who is speaking?
Shane.
Shane. Okay, Shane.
Ma'am,
Yes,
that only
you
I
can.
said.
You be-
Shane need to say.
Ma'am,
I
ma'am,
thought that she need
ubiquitous.
to say. Okay.
They are the resources which are found everywhere.
Yes, we can find everywhere. Ubiquitous resources means the resources which are found all over the world. Examples?
Air.
Water.
Air,
Air,
water,
water,
light. Okay.
solar,
Tides, ocean
solar
currents.
light.
All the examples of are the examples of
Ubiquitous.
Ubiquitous.
ubiquitous. Okay, then we said about the word localized. Yes or no? Pranav, what is localized?
Ma'am, the resources that are found
Ah,
in only certain places.
yes, that found only a certain places. So far we discussed about the different categories of natural resources. Yes or no? We discussed all
Yes,
these
ma'am.
points, natural resource, potential resource on the basis of origin, biotic and abiotic. Then we said about ubiquitous and localized. All these are the different categories of natural resource. Okay. Then
Resources.
what are the classification of resources?
Human-made resources,
Human-made resources,
natural resources.
human resource and natural resource. So far we discussed about only the natural resource. So today we are going to discuss about human made resource and human resource. Okay, give the heading. Okay, resources are generally classified into three: natural resource, human made resource, human resource. So far we discussed only about the natural resource. Now we are going to discuss about what is human made and what is human resource. Okay, Gauri, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay. Human made resource, otherwise known as man made resource. Human made, otherwise known as,
Can you show that ubiquitous slide?
why?
Last class I was not able to write it.
Yes, very easy. Resources which are found everywhere, ubiquitous. Localized means the resources that are found in certain places. Fast. Okay. Lakshmi,
Okay, ma'am.
what side business?
No.
Nothing. Okay. Okay, next. Human made resource, otherwise known as man made resource. So, from the word itself, you can understand what is human made resource. Yes, no, Adityan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the meaning of man-made or human-made?
Man-made means
Yes.
made by human beings.
Yes, for what? Made by?
Human beings
Yes, human beings. For what?
to use.
To use. From where? From where? From the nature. Yes. Just think. Made by human beings. Okay, human resources are the resources which are made by the humans for their use. For their use, the materials which are available in the nature. Example, we know about a bridge. Just think about the bridge. Bridge is made by
Humans.
humans. How can they construct, how can they make a bridge?
From stone, iron,
Yes, from stone. What is a stone?
natural substance.
It is a natural resource.
Metam-
Substance or natural resource. Yes or no? For what purpose they constructed the bridge? To cross the river area, to cross the river. That is for our use. So human beings made some resources for their use with the help of the natural resource. Understand? Human resource or human made some resources. Human made the resources with the help of the nature or with the help of the materials which collected from the nature. Understand? Understand? Example, think about the cloth. How can we get the cloth?
Fibers.
Yes, fiber. Yes, from
the
nature. Yes,
natural.
cotton wool or cotton. Yes, nature. So we are converting or we are changing that cotton into cloth with the help of the
Nature.
yes, human skill or with the help of the machines. Then who is using that?
We are
See, understand? These resources which are not made by nature but are made by humans beings are called man-made resource. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
We cannot find these things in the nature. We cannot see the exact things in the nature because all these things are made by human beings. By using their skill, by using their knowledge, they are converting natural resources into man-made resource. You can see many pictures here. We cannot find all these things exactly from the nature. All these are made by human beings. Yes or no? You can see the mobile phone. Made by the human beings. You can see the buildings, ships and all made by the human beings. Then,
Rocket.
yes, rocket. Yes. What's the name
Aeroplane.
of this dog? What's the name of this dog?
Diamond.
It didn't
What's the
carry
name
a
of
dog.
the dog went into space? What's the name of the dog which went into space?
Ka.
Yes?
Ka.
Ka.
Like ka.
Leica. Yes, Leica. Dalmatian. No, Doberman.
No German Shepherd.
No, Leica. Dear children, you are studying in 8th class. Okay, the next one is Taj Mahal. Okay. Okay, dear children.
Yes.
So, this is known as man-made resource. If you look at the board, you can clearly understand what is a natural resource and how a natural resource convert into a man-made resource. Yes? Rubber is getting from the nature with the help of or getting from a tree. Then with the help of that, people are converting the rubber into
Tire.
tires. So who is using the tire?
We are using
Because yes, we know that. The next one is wood. Wood is a natural resource. that we convert into furnitures, table, chair and all. Okay. The next one is metals. We know that metals are also the examples of non-renewable
Nature.
resources. Yes or no? It is an example of non-renewable resource. About that we discussed in the previous class.
Ma'am.
The stock is limited. They found deep inside the earth.
And they
Only
take
limited
almost
stock.
1,000 years to renew themselves.
Yes, it cannot renew by
Only limited stocks.
yes, the limited stocks. So we can call it as an exhaustible resources. Once the stock is over, it will take 1,000 years to form. With the help of the metals like silver, gold, iron, magnesium. There are different metals, okay? The metals, with the help of the metal, we can make the spoons, aeroplanes, machines. Because almost all the machines are made up of iron. Yes or no? Iron.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one is sand. Sand is also a natural resource. With the help of that, we can make the clay pots. Then last one is copper. With the help of the copper, we can make statues.
Ma'am,
So all these are made by
soil is renewable, right?
yes, renewable. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Non-renewable is copper is non-renewable. Metal is also non-renewable. The remaining three are the examples of natural resource. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Isa?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Let me ask a question to Isa. When do we celebrate World Water Day?
Ma'am, can I show the last slide?
Yes. When do we celebrate World Water Day?
Ma'am, I don't remember.
Why? Then let me ask the other one. HESA.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I'm
I
expecting
don't know.
answer. You don't know. Very good.
Tuesday, March
22.
22.
March 22. Who said the answer?
He said Tuesday also. Maybe he checked in Google.
Yeah, ma'am. They checked in
Yeah.
Google.
Okay. Let me go with another question then. Environment Day.
June 5.
June 5. Correct.
Earth of my
Ozone Day. Okay. Ozone Day.
No.
Check.
Day?
Huh? Ozone Day.
Ma'am.
September 16. September 16. Rudra. World Ocean Day. November. World Ocean Day. What about
Ma'am,
Uma?
ask them when is their birthday. Then
Ma'am, 8th
that's
June.
why they know.
8th June, 8th
8th
June,
June. Who
Wednesday.
said the answer?
Google.
Let's
Google
me.
only
Who is saying
Google.
the answer? You don't know.
Assistant.
Okay, the next one. Okay, next we are going to discuss about human resource. Next topic is human resource. Human resource. We know that human resource is the ultimate resource. It is the ultimate resource. Human beings are very essential for a world or for essential for a country. Yes or no? Because we know that human beings are very important or human resources are very, very important. Why?
We are
They are
valuable.
the ultimate resource.
Yes. Then if I ask another question, you will repeat the second point. Yes? Why we called as ultimate resource? Because they are very important.
Ma'am, because
We are very valuable.
They have education and health.
Yes, that is second point already you read. Okay. We know with the help, yes, human beings can make the best use of nature. Human beings,
nothing is impossible.
yes, can make the best use of nature.
Ma'am, when they have the skill, technology.
Yes, because people have their own skill, their own knowledge, their own ability.
Population.
With the help of this, we can bring lot of changes in the ability. Yes, with the help of their skill, with the help of their knowledge, with the help of their ability, with the help of technology, human beings can bring lot of changes in the in the nature.
Society.
Yes or no? Just now we discussed about so many points. Everything are made by human beings. The mobile phone, everything is yes or no? Taj Mahal
Yes.
and space, all these are
Human.
made by human. Yes, these are made by the human beings with their ability, with their skill, with their knowledge. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Health and education both are very necessary for a person to live in the present life. Yes or no? Almost all the people are educated. They have their own values. Why you want to study?
We need to get a job.
Yes, want to get a job. With the help of the job, you can earn
Money.
crores and crores.
Education for education.
Yes, education. Education can bring
Knowledge.
education is the best weapon that we can bring changes in the society. Yes or no?
Yes.
Education is the most powerful weapon.
It can change
You
the
can
world.
change the world. Who said these words?
Amal. Ma'am.
No, not Dr. Ambedkar. Education is the best weapon that can change society or that can change the world. Who said these words?
The person who said it.
Anthony.
Swami Vivekananda.
Never.
Gandhiji.
What? Lal Bahadur Shastri? No.
Nelson Mandela.
APJ
Yes,
Abdul
Nelson
Kalam.
Mandela. Yes, Nelson Mandela.
I'm Googled. This was
Who is that?
no,
Who is
no.
giving me answer?
No.
Wait,
No,
wait.
that was not Google.
Who is answering to me?
Gauri.
Gauri. Where is Gauri? Just raise your hand.
Hello, ma'am.
Gauri, next question for you. Who is Nelson Mandela?
Africa's
Africa's
freedom fighter.
freedom fighter. Okay, then
African president.
South African president Nelson Mandela. Okay, he was the president of
He
South
worked
Africa
for the
1994
welfare
to
of black
1995.
people.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the slide?
Yes. So education and health help in making people a valuable resource. We know that a person always he want to be or he or she want to be healthy. If he or she is healthy, she can do her work efficiently. Yes or no? She can use all her potential, or
sir.
she can use all her force, or she can use all her energy to do that work.
Job.
Okay, Anthony Babu. Anthony Babu, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. How education can bring
Yes,
changes in society?
Education can give us jobs which earns us money
Uh,
and can change the world a lot.
how can you change the world?
No,
Because
our
money is earning by you. Yes or no?
yes,
And then
we
how can you change
our life.
what?
Our life.
Yes,
We can change our life.
can change our life.
We
Okay.
can achieve.
Yes, you can achieve with the help of the education. So health in the sense a person always want to be healthy, then he or she can work efficiently. He or she can use her potential to do the work. So slowly she can develop her country and economy also. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources. Just before we said about all these things, all these are made by human beings. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
They were the persons who bring changes in the society by using their knowledge or by using their skill. So see the last point, the people can make the best use of nature to create more resources. Is that clear? Then
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they are able to create more resources known as human resource development. What is human resource development means? Improving the quality of people's skills All the people day by day, they are trying to improve their skill. Yes or no, Hessa? In the first exam, she got less mark. So what she will try to do for the next time?
Score good marks.
Yes, you will try your level best to achieve your goals. Yes, each and everyone have your own goals,
100 of 100.
ambitions. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ah.
ma'am.
Wait, let me see. Yes or no?
Yes,
Everyone,
ma'am.
Yes,
have goals, your own ambitions. So for that we are doing the hard work. So we are make use of our skills. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that they are able to create more resources known as human resource development. Shall I move to the next one?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no, no, 1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is the textbook.
Ah, yes. Human resources are not equally distributed all over the world. That means we know what's the meaning of human resources are not equally distributed. The number of human beings
Not
are not
unique
same.
human.
They are not distributed equally.
Ma'am, it's
The
not
number of
unique human.
no. The number of human beings are not same in the world, which means the population is always differ from one country to another country. The number of people, the number of boys, the number of girls, the number of males, and the number of female, the number of people's educational level, age, sex, everything is different from one country to another country. Which is the most populous country in the world?
China.
China. Second one?
China.
Second one?
India.
India.
Good.
Third one, Russia.
Third one,
Russia.
Okay, so what is our duty?
To
What is our
reduce.
Make it the
duty?
first.
We have to conserve the resource. We have to conserve our resource. So far we discussed about different types of resources. From that what we can understand? From that what we can understand? Resources are not found everywhere. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we said about water. We said about
Air.
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 Then we said
Land.
about
Soil.
Land.
yes, plants, animals. All these are the examples of
Excuse me, ma'am.
resources.
Can
Yes.
you show that slide once more?
Yes, I will show you. So it is our primary duty to protect our nature because we all are living in earth. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It's our duty to protect our natural resource. Overuse of these resources will lead
Ma'am,
to
the previous slide.
the previous one. Okay. We have to use the resource at the same time we have to preserve for our future also. So for that what we have to do? We have to use the resources very carefully. We know resources are limited. Resources are limited and it will take long years to regenerate. Example, we know about the petroleum, diesel. Yes, all these resources are very limited or very less in quantity. So it is our primary duty, not only our duty, the people, those who are living in the earth, their duty is to conserve our resources for the future generation. So presently we can use limitedly and we can preserve some resources for our future also. It is known as conservation of resources. Careful use of resources and giving them to get renewed is called resource conservation.
Can you show the next slide?
Yes. Just you copy it. Let me take attendance. Gauri Shankari,
Present, ma'am.
Sriram,
Listen, ma'am.
Aditya Anup,
Present, ma'am.
Abhinand Krishna,
Present, ma'am.
Abhinav, Abhinav Bijoy. No. Abhinav PA. Abhinav PA. Abhinav PA. No.
He's present. He can't unmute.
Okay, okay. Then Ahmad Afrin.
Present,
Muhammad
ma'am.
Afin. Present.
Present.
Present, okay. Then Albert Jojo.
Absent.
Absent. Amal Anthony.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Abna Shirin.
Present, ma'am.
Amrita Biju.
Present, ma'am.
Angelia Biju.
Present, ma'am.
Anthony Babu.
Present, ma'am.
Anusha Ladish.
Ma'am, Albert Jojo is present.
Albert Jojo. Okay. Albert Jojo present. Okay. Anusha present. Arun.
Present, ma'am.
Ayan.
Ma'am, it's Arjun.
Okay. Ah, yes, yes. Arjun. Okay. Then after that, Ayan.
Present, ma'am.
Baja Abdul Majid.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, only Shifana is absent.
Only Shifana is absent. Where is Shifana? Shifana Shabir.
Yes.
Yes, the remaining all are present.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Kamala, Dila, Ishal, Gauri, Parvati, Hessa, Isa.
No, ma'am, now it became 41.
Now it becomes.
Yes,
left
ma'am. 41. One person left now.
Okay. Dila. Anyway, let me call out the names. Dila. Present. Ishal.
Present, ma'am.
Gauri Parvati.
Present, ma'am.
Hessa.
Present, ma'am.
Isa.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Johain. Present. Krishna Priya.
Present.
Malavika.
Nakriba.
Krishna Kriba, not Krishna Priya. Okay. Malavika.
Present, ma'am.
Milan.
Present, ma'am.
Nelvin.
Present, ma'am.
Present. Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Annette. Yes, am I correct? Annette, yes. Lakshmi.
Present, ma'am.
Parthiv.
Present, ma'am.
Parvati.
Yes.
Yes.
Present,
Prajita.
Present, ma'am.
Pranavatmaka, yes. Rudra Sunil.
Present, ma'am.
Shane.
Present, ma'am.
Shifana. No, Shifana is absent.
Yes.
Okay. Shreya.
Present, ma'am.
Srihari.
Present, ma'am.
Tanmay.
Present, ma'am.
Uma Parvati Vimal.
Present, ma'am.
Present, okay. Vaishnav.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Let me ask some questions. Abhinav, what is human-made resource?
The resources that are made by the humans with the help of natural resources.
Okay, good. Then, Uma, how education can bring changes in society? Or how education can bring changes in the productivity of the world?
Ma'am, it can,
one more time.
Yes, Uma, you can continue.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it can develop people's skills
Yes.
and it can give it can develop the knowledge
Yes.
which helps in development of the people.
Okay, then Shane, I think Shane already said some answers now. Let me call out Sridham.
Yes, ma'am.
What is human made resource? No, what is human resource?
Human resources are like education.
What is human resource? Human resource. How can you define human resource? Human resource are the resources.
They can
That
make the best use
Yes,
of
make
nature
the best use of nature by using.
to create more resources.
Yes, by
And
using.
they have knowledge, skill, and technology.
Yes, by using knowledge, skill, and technology. You know, technology is also an example of human-made resource. Okay. So what is your duty or what is our duty? To protect our natural
And
resources.
protect our natural.
Yes, how can we protect our, how can we save the, save water? How can we save water?
By limited use.
By limited use. Then
Then don't
Not wasting.
water.
don't waste water.
We must reduce the pollution of water. Water
Yes,
pollution.
okay, water pollution, okay. Then
Take
how
shower
can we,
instead
how
of
can we save our environment?
planting more
Reduce
trees.
deforestation.
Planting more trees. Oh, yes, planting more trees. Which is the largest forest in the world?
Amazon rainforest.
Amazon.
On rainforest. Why it is called rainforest?
There will
Because
be
it
Because it
rains
gets
more
rain throughout the year.
throughout the year.
Why?
Because they are near equator.
Okay, what is equator?
Equator is the centermost
Latitude.
part of the
Part of the year.
Which
Okay,
divides
okay.
imaginary line that runs between the
Okay, okay, that's why
Latitude
that
at
area
0
is
degree.
always
At 0 degree. A latitude at 0 degree.
okay. Our topic is resource, Gauri. So we have to conserve our resources. Okay. Time up, dear children. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, read the lesson well. I'll send you the notes.
Bye, ma'am.
Complete your. So, okay, bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.